Happy almost Valentine's Day, guys. We're gonna do a Valentine's Day shot. So again, it's all about presentation and it has to taste good. Two main requirements. If they don't drink it, there's no point in making it, right? So we're gonna make it real nice and delicate. It's not gonna be a harsh or strong drink. And presentation, let's make it look beautiful. So we got Valentine's Day shots. Now what makes these special? We are going to make our own shot glasses. So we are going to have, we have our Max chocolate melts. I got pink and we have red. You're gonna need your Gadiva or any white chocolate liqueur, but you know, this is the popular brand, everybody knows. We got vanilla vodka. We got some half and half. A little whipped cream for presentation, and of course, grab them while you can. So while Valentine's is out, it's gonna be easy to find these heart-shaped sprinkles. We'll get in on that in a minute. So first thing we do is we take our candies, throw our candies in these wax melts, and we're gonna microwave these at 50% power for like a minute, minute and a half, whenever it starts to get a nice chocolatey consistency to work with. So let's do that right now. Okay, so that's about 2 minutes on 50% power. And this is the consistency you want. As soon as you do this, we're gonna just stir it up with a nice consistency like that. We got one red one. Oh, I'm gonna mix. I should have got. And the pink one. Get that all stirred up. All right, looks good. Now to make this easier, push this out of the way. Okay, you got this? Mm-hmm. All right, so to make it easier when we remove this, we're just gonna make a little slit in these cups just to help start to break it up. And you take a little paintbrush, a little arts and crafts paintbrush, whatever, and you just wanna get all that chocolate and coat up. So we're making shot glasses out of these, so you don't want it to be able to leak and have your Valentine's Day drink all over the place. That'll be kind of gross. So just like that, get it up to the top. And we'll do both of these cups. Real thick. You want to get a nice thick layer on there, so I like to dab it. Just kind of dab that in there. And get a nice straight line, because it's going to be like a glass. So I kind of try to go around in a circle here. Dab that all up to make it thick. Thick, thick, thick. And repeat this. You can do this a second time. So once this hardens and you feel like it's not thick enough, you could always make it thicker after. It doesn't really matter. But I like to try to do it the first time so I don't have to do it again later. All right, so we're gonna stick this in the fridge. We'll do the pink one too. Okay. Same thing with the pink. Just smoosh it on there. Smoosh. Lots of smooshing going on the bottom. Don't want it to leak. And remember, you can eat this after, so the better job you do at making a nice chocolate cup, the more delicious it'll taste because it'll look that much better. All right, and we'll just do that, speed things up a little. Okay. And then we're going to stick these in the fridge just for a few minutes or up to an hour, whatever you want, whenever you're ready. Okay, stick these in the fridge. All right, so now that we took them out of the fridge, and we're just going to start to rip right where we already made our cut. And slowly, just peel it away. Try not to break it. That's why you want to come on a little thick. So you can pop these out. Look at that. We'll do a pink one, and we'll do this red one. Where's my slit? Find the slit. Slit. Ooh, I might have messed that one up. That one didn't happen. Slit. There we go. And now we have our shot glasses made. All right, we have 2 shot glasses right here. We got more. I'll just show you the 2. We're gonna do our mixing glass. We're gonna throw a little ice in there. We're gonna throw an ounce. 1. It's an ounce. We got an ounce and a half of white chocolate liqueur. Gadiva being the name brand, but it doesn't have to be. Whatever's in the budget, that's fine. Got that, and we have an ounce of half and half. So we got our half and half. All the thicker milks don't curdle as well and mix way better with these drinks. So take it up. Got that. Give it a shake. Am I shaking? Mm-hmm. That's good. Shake. All right, that's really enough shaking. We don't have to. Just shake it and we pour it right in there. There we go. A little whipped cream on top. And follow that up with some nice heart sprinkles. And there it is. You have your Valentine's Day shot with an edible chocolate glass. Happy Valentine's Day and drink beautifully.